from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ACG MOCs. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the Nike ACG MOC. We got this in the Ocean Bliss colorway in a UK size 7.5, European 42, and it's a US 8.5. And for those that don't know, ACG means all conditions geared, and this is designed for all conditions. So here they are, the MOCs you need for whatever the weather. There we go. We have done similar styles. We've done like the Nike offline, so check those reviews out if you ever get the chance to. We like our mules, our moccasins here at Oneupreviewz. I love them. Big fan of like mule culture, mule boys. Shout out, we know you're watching, so shout you guys out, the mule boys on IG. And yeah, I mean, I'm a big advocate for slip-ons and mules. I like whatever the brands. Love these from ACG or well Nike. These really cool hiking-esque inspired outdoors moccasins. They look great. Feel very lightweight, and let's get into all those details. So we'll start with the outsole. Got an all rubber outsole with a geometric patterning for that traction. You can see it all around. Looking at the midsole unit, so it is still the rubber that's coming out from the outsole. There's a little bit of a foam that's inside, so that's there for your cushioning and your support. The up is where it gets really cool, and you can see it's like not a fleece, but a down jacket. Synthetic uppers hit all around. It's very weatherproof as well. You know, though I wouldn't say it's waterproof because there'll be still some access to water, but it will brush away some droplets of rain, and that's, you can feel it with this synthetic material right here for you. To fasten it, you've got a toggle system that's at the heel, and if you look at the heel, you've got the branding with the ACG, the logo, and it's in this like felt wool all around. Again, pull tabs there to help fasten and get your feet in. It's in the sleek blue. This reminds me of the offline, and there was for the life of me I can't remember. There was another Nike moccasin, but it was like for the campfire. This essentially is, but loads of people have ventured out with moccasins as a durable shoe to wear in the outdoors. Obviously ACG was designed for hiking purposes in mind, and this falling on that brand, I mean, who am I to stop you guys from wearing this on the outdoors? But personally I wouldn't. If you're, you know, walking during some hikes, I personally wouldn't wear moccasins. But if you're sitting by the campfire, this is probably it. And if you're just not doing your walks in the city, this is probably one of those good styles to go for. The insole, so if you look at the insole, it's a foam insole, and you kind of got the geometric patterning all around. It's like the mountains. Totally forgot the topography. There we go. So if you look at that at the inside, and you got the ACG logo inside there as well. So that rounds off my review. I'm really excited to try these on. Shout out the Mule Boys on the IG. I'm really digging this futuristic style that Nike have done. They've done tons of these moccasins, and I've been a big fan of them all. Hopefully, I mean, I probably will fall in love with these as well. So roll that footage of me trying these moccasins on. it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend it. You get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 and my toes are where they need to be. This is really comfortable. Very, very comfortable indeed. I feel like it could do without the heel. It could just be a slip-on mule personally, and I feel like that's much better, more on trends. But it could, because personally it just feels like it's slipping from my heels. I know there's that toggle to, you know, make it a bit more tighter, but at the end of the day, I would prefer a proper mule function without the heel unit. Other than that, color's great. I feel like it's very out there but neutral, and it's not the most grippy when it comes to moccasins, because you know, if you got the Birkenstock, you can't go wrong with a pair of Birkenstock Bostons, for example. But these are just as good. Very comfortable on the underside of my feet. The upper is just like a cloud, very lightweight as well. Highly recommended. It's just a shame that I'm not a big fan of the heel. Maybe I'm so used to mules myself. But shout out to the mule boys, and we know you're watching, so thank you. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.